opened my presents already. I already chose my clothes. I feel uncomfortable. Okay. Okay. Finally, I opened my presents. I have to put it on the table. Okay. First is from I don't know. So let me see. A file. Whose one is this?
I don't know. They
Yeah.
don't write the name.
Finally, my Tamagotchi is broken. My old one, I meant.
What are you doing? Don't spy on us.
Oh my gosh, so bright. Okay, what's this?
I'm bright like
Happy
a diamond.
birthday, Iris Leticia says.
Wait, what's this for?
She said.
Whoa! I was looking.
Zoe, just wait. I want to take them all. Zoe, I want to take them all. Oh, you can say hi.
Hello. Yeah, that's.
Oh, it's from Zoe.
I can really read. What did she read?
Oh my God.
This one here. So.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Time
How
to
about
put them
this?
all back.
How about this?
Is Elena one? Wait.
Like this?
Wait. Okay, wait. Okay. I know. Okay. Zoe, just oh, look at what Elena gave me. So cute. Oh, it's a little dressing book. I'm gonna put that. And then, oh, she gave me a cup. It's from Elena. Oh, wait. Now what I got? Unboxing.
What happened to your dad?
I don't know.
What happened to your dad? Iris, you already opened my present.
It's Elena. No, not yet. It's Elena one. It's recording.
My check.
Oh, what do I got?
Wait, let me see. Wait, no, here. I don't
What
know.
in the world am I seeing?
What is this rare or no?
I don't know. Just look. What am I seeing right now?
This?
Why is it staring in my soul? Oh my god.
Can I see? Where are we, guys?
Iris, can you guess what she bought for you?
What? Let me see. That's why she really wanted to show me this one.
I think it's a
You
box.
got it's like you have to make. And what is something that you
I think it's like a
use
bead,
your
something.
mind with?
Wait, what?
A bead? Wait.
Oh my gosh.
My mommy is fighting.
My mommy is fighting. So nice English.
This one I asked.
Nice
I buy.
English.
This one I buy.
Bro, what?
Oh my freaking Jesus.
So nice English. This one I can buy for you.
Oh my god.
Wow. I like the pink one. I like the blue.
Girl, you're my favorite one. This one is my most favorite person.
My sister says.
See, what is this?
Where's the water?
I don't know. Oh my gosh.
This one I buy it. This one I buy.
Okay. Blah blah blah.
It's you use your mind to do it.
That
Okay.
is paddle. You know paddle? You know I love paddle, so I'm gonna keep this because
I don't want it.
So can I keep it?
Yeah, actually,
Yeah.
I buy this one. I buy this one and
Paddle. That is paddle.
actually this one my mother buy.
Oh my gosh.
I told her that kids does not like puzzles. But she said
But the sheep.
Ugh. This is the worst.
This one. I need some. Hey, I buy this for this one.
Wow.
I really love like this.
Yeah. That's nice. This is the thank
The
you.
next one, which one do you want to do?
I don't know. Wait, later.
It cannot.
Yeah, it's live right now.
Oh, come on. Dude, I hate on cameras.
Bro.
Actually, this is my fourth.
Look at what Calabi gave me. Oh my god! Aw, this one is the birthday card. I saw the birthday card. Let me see. Happy birthday, Iris. I hope you like the books from.
What's the wish, Iris? I want to read it.
It's from Calabi. I recognize the handwriting.
Keep it properly.
Wait, oh yeah, this is from Atia. It's from Atia. Wanna see? How is it like? It's gonna be so fun. Look. Oh my gosh! Look at what Atia gave me. Oh my gosh. God.
What's that?
Have you turned it on already? Is it turned on?
They don't know how to turn it on.
Oh my gosh.
Someone turn it on. Someone turn it on. I knew it. 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 I knew it.
I knew it. I knew it. Well, I'm gonna keep this one. Thank you, Atia. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm gonna put all my presents in here. Oh, this little guy doing my rear. Ah, those look cute. This one is big. It's big one. Oh my gosh. It's a big one. I'm gonna put it up here. So wait, it's a book.
Is it from the prison?
Yeah, wait, yeah, okay. Aww, this is kind of cute. This is kind of cute. Look at me, what Miriam did. Zoe, I'm talking to you. Don't. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, secret room.
It's actually not. I built it with boxes.
Wait, for real?
Yeah?
No, entrance. But I really want to enter.
Because my dad removed the box. And it turned into a store.
No, it's not a secret anymore, dude.
Yeah.
I can open
I miss it.
jelly.
No! Fuck up.
I just like that. Jelly in there. What is this?
What are you?
It's a book from Calabi, but
Dear
not.
Dork.
I don't know. Oh my gosh! What in the world? Oh my gosh!
Oh my god, why open it?
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
What do we got?
I never seen it.
Wait.
It should be secret.
Aww.
There's something. What's this one?
There's drum. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put all the figures they gave me here. Oh yeah.
From the front. Look at this.
Remember page
I've mixed.
Hi, guys.
The pigeon dance.
Is that open? Is that open?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
It's recording.
Do you know Luana?
No.
You look like her.
Bro.
You look like her.
I knew that was thing. I knew that was thing.
Don't disturb Zoe.
Don't disturb the microscope. It can break. Or it can like.
It's so sensitive.
Okay, I turned it off already.
Okay, finally.
Is that a cake? It looks like a cake.
Don't sit on the.
Is a cake do it? Cake money.
It's what my uncle gave me.
Does anyone
Can you give me the other birthday present?
speak camping with you guys?
No.
This is the big one.
This one first. This one.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh.
Time to open.
Look at what she
Yo.
or he.
Oh my gosh!
And also,
Wait, don't open it. Don't spoil it yet. Don't spoil it.
oh my gosh. Oh, I just looked.
So you.
Okay, what's this?
It's from Yo. It's from Yo.
Yung.
Thank you, Yo.
You know anyone who has like been camping with you guys when you do it?
I watch. I subscribe. Hey, Joey, oh my god! That's so big!
This one's yours.
Can I have this? Oh my gosh, I was just trading.
Trade? What do you mean trade?
I was just trading this. Because I was the one. Oh wait,
Okay, gimme. Thank you.
Stop shouting.
I want that. I just gonna play with this.
You can eat it now. You can.
If you're crazy, I'm not gonna give you all of this chocolate.
What in the world is this?
What?
Look.
I'm gonna help you, Iris.
Wait. I think the present is inside the box.
Because it's literally a box.
Zoe, wait. Give me the scissors.
Is that thing on?
Yeah.
Is it still on?
Yeah, this one. Yeah. This one. Zoe, take the scissors. What in the world is this?
Wait.
Why do you need scissors?
Bro, can you shake it? It literally like have no.
What in the world? What if? Okay, thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, I don't want to damage it. I don't want to damage this stuff. So I'm
Just
gonna.
damage that box.
That's a
Are you gonna use that box?
Oh, I don't want it.
Wait here.
What in the world?
It's really so hard to open.
Oh my god.
Wait, hold.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Girl, we
Jump
need.
on the back of the yacht. Wait, give me. I know how to open. Open for a while.
Oh my gosh.
If you want to show your face to the camera, just show your face to the camera. Who's calling me?
Oh, that's so cute. This one. What in the world?
Oh my god.
Wait, did he just?
I know, right? It's so hard to open.
Oh wait, I'm gonna break my hands also.
Wait, if someone actually give you like a butter squishy from
From TikTok?
yeah,
Or maybe I don't play.
If someone in the
or a needle.
if someone give.
I will steal it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
God.
I love it. Open.
Oh my god, seriously.
Oh my god.
This is beautiful for you.
Oh my gosh. Look what we're doing.
I thought it was gonna be.
A brand new bottle? Oh my gosh.
Oh, you have too much balls.
I got a cat here.
Okay? Yeah.
Wait.
Okay.
Just wait, Zoe. Just wait.
I only want to see it.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It gave me a little pleasure. Don't ever sneak peek on my presents, okay? And also, I don't want you to spoil it.
Do you thought it was gonna be a needle or something? Just
I would say it will be a bunch of needles and
or
butter.
maybe it was
Oh,
one box of dumplings, and definitely there is only one real inside.
what in the world?
I wish. Oh, I want.
I wish they were rich.
Boom, what a bam. Goes like.
It's a bird.
What in the world?
What the hell is
What did Angel give me? What did Angel give me?
Seriously.
Who is literally spamming me right
Wait.
now? Do you guys want to call
Adek,
me no or
that's
if
the one
see
that-
I am still in the party?
Give me a cup. She literally gave me a cup.
No,
Oh my gosh.
Wait. Do your parents ever ask you like let you to watch scary movies?
Yes.
Do you want to watch it now? At least we have time.
Wait,
Oh my gosh.
At least.
Yeah, we have time. I think.
Yeah, we still have time. We should watch it.
Oh my
Someone give me the remote. Someone give me the remote. Give me the remote.
god, oh my god.
Okay. Wait.
Aw, it's not so.
That's not real.
Okay, Zoe, give me the big. Wait, later. Oh my.
I just really spoiled it. Okay?
Oh my god.
Yeah, because she is literally so shocked. This one's yours.
Oh, wait. Scary movie.
No. Here you go.
movie.
This is for you. And this is for you.
If one of you scream, I'm gonna. I haven't even started and she already screamed. Okay, let's watch this.
If there's jump scares, I'm gonna.
Zoe, give me the biggest present.
What you
Okay.
want?
I don't know.
Whoa,
Big
Sabrina.
present.
Oh my god! It's my dream. It's my dream. Oh, it's my
Wait, what
dream.
is that? What is
It's my dream.
Bro.
Bro.
I actually knows you well.
Hell nah. Hell nah.
Yes.
We're gonna watch a
Don't tell me it's true. Don't tell me it's true. Just. Oh my. Wait. Is this a dream?
Go watch a scary movie. Yes.
Don't ever take my stickers, okay? Don't take my stickers because I'll use them for something.
Someone screamed against Who's
Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
Maluda, who's Maluda? It makes laugh.
No. This one. Wait. No.
We're watching a scary movie, dude.
Oh yeah, you're right.
No.
We're watching a scary movie. Majority say yes. Majority say yes.
What happened?
Of course.
Everybody say yes.
Okay, there's dramas, romance,
I cannot see.
comedies, action, bleh. Horror.
I'll put it back later.
Okay.
Do we have to watch that or something else? Stranger Things is
What's really funny?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Does anyone have the scissors? This is my freaking dream. I really want to open it now. Okay, bye guys. See you soon.
How about